Hello and welcome. Today I'm in the woods looking for majo. Majo is a palm fruit that we use for making milk. And I think I found one here, but I'm not sure if it's ripe or not, so I'm just going to climb up and see. And if it's no good, then I'll just keep looking. Okay, so I climbed up the tree, as you can see, and they're still all the way green. So I'm just gonna keep looking and maybe come back in a month or so for this tree, because there's a lot on them, but they're still very green. So I'm just gonna keep looking in the woods and see if I can find something. So I found this tree. It's a smaller kind of the same fruit, palm fruit, but it's like smaller end. It's a very small hanger. They're not all in season yet, so there's a lot of green ones, but I couldn't hardly find a ripe one except for this one. So I'm just going to get this while I'm in the woods. Okay, so I got a little small hanger here. I'm going to now take it home and show you how I make milk out of it. So now I'm here in my kitchen. I'm going to take these things off of the hanger. I'm just gonna put it in this pot and cover it with water, and then let it soak for 15 minutes in lukewarm water until it gets, till they get soft. Okay, these palm fruits are soft now. I let them soak for quite a while. And next thing I'm going to do is stomp them. I'm going to stomp them and then add water and then strain out the pulp, and what's left will be milk. Some people like to sweeten it, and some people like to drink it just plain milk. So now I've got my Majo milk here. I know it was kind of hard to get going in the woods and climbing the tree, but this is has a lot of vitamins in it. It's very good for you. So I like to drink it whenever it's in season. I'll probably be getting a lot more this year. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.